How to get 1099 from eBay. First, go to eBay website and log into your account with email and password. I'm going to go up to the top right-hand corner, and where it says My eBay, I'm going to go down to Selling. Near the middle, we're looking for Payments. Payments right here, and then we're going to go down to Summary. This is what we're going to click on to get to our reports. This is going to bring us to the financial summary for eBay. We're going to go on the left side of the screen over to Taxes. So we're going to go down here, and we're going to click on Taxes. It may ask you to re-enter your password because they don't want anyone else getting into your financial information. It brings me to the Taxes page, and it will have the 1099K forms and the 1099K details. You can download it as PDF. That's it. Thanks for watching.